Hi friends, let me show you this new WhirShril Digital Safe that I received new for reviewing purposes. It's a nice safe, as you can see. It's large enough for any domestic or small office use. You get the safe, the user manual, some security keys, the nuts and bolts to fix it to the wall, and an emergency battery pack, okay? You can set up to 30 fingerprints to open it and 2 numeric passwords. Let me show you. I registered this fingerprint, so I am going to use some other ones. None of them will work. Okay, it's an emergency because we are trying to open it, okay? So now I'm going to try my fingerprint. As you can see, my fingerprint is one of the 30 authorized, so it works perfectly and I can open the safe, okay? Let me show you also that you can open it with a numeric code. You get 2 codes, you can configure 2 codes or 30 fingerprints. Now, let me show you how beautiful the safe is in the inside. It comes with this nice orange fabric, different accessories to hang jewelry or whatever you want. Here you can put some documents or credit cards. It has a light. That will turn on when you open it, and you can put your valuables inside. It even has a small box inside of it here for small items. As you can see, the safe is curved, so it's not like sharp edges, sharp corners. You get an emergency battery pack. If you need to open the safe, you can connect it here if you need it, and you could open the safe if the batteries in the inside run dry or out of energy, okay? This is the green button to configure the fingerprints and the passwords, and you could fix it to the wall with these 2 bolts. Let me show you. Here you have 2 holes. You can see a light through them, and you could fix it, look at this, to any wall, so the safe will be practically impossible to move, okay? So, if you need a safe in your home, in your office, this is a great option. WhirShril Digital Safe. Thank you.